Dear prospective builder, it is May 2021, and since the weekend lockdowns were imposed to curtail the rapid spread of the virus, the prices of goods and services have been trending upwards in St. Andrew, Jamaica. To see what some of the current prices were for basic materials needed for building construction, I visited one of the more reasonable hardwares in the area. These are the items and actual costs. I hope to check back in a few months to see if the prices remain the same, fall, which is highly unlikely, or escalate. The price of the items are quoted in Jamaican dollars. I must also mention that different parishes and different hardwares will sell at different prices, so it is all based on the location. The current exchange rate to the USD is $152. I would not be surprised if the price of houses double within the next 4 months, making it even harder for the average person to realize their dream of home ownership. My advice, therefore, to you is always shop around before settling, as the right price may just be next door. Let's get into the meat of the matter, the real reason you have stuck around. Just a couple months ago, a ton of half-inch steel cost $110,000. Currently, it is $130,000. The 3/8-inch steel per ton is $133,000. The concrete block per unit is $95. Some places sell it for $115. It is $3,200 per yard for wash sand. Gravel is currently $3,000 per yard. A bag of cement costs $1,100. The farm ply is $7,150 per sheet. Rough untreated lumber 1x3x16 is $1,300 per length. The 2.5 inches concrete nail is $250 per pound. The cost of the 2.5 inches wire nail is $155 per pound. Binding wire is $180 per pound and $6,700 per roll. The 4 inches PVC drain pipe is $930 per length. The 2 inches PVC drain pipe is $1,580 per length. The 1/2 inch PVC SCH40 pipe is $1,012 per length. The 1/2 inch PVC hot water pipe is $500 per length. The 4 inches PVC drain bend is $420 per unit. The 2 inches PVC drain elbow is $80 per unit. The 1/2 inch PVC SCH40 elbow is $30 per unit. The half-inch PVC SCH40T is $50 per unit. The 2 inches PVC drain tee is $330 per unit. A 32-ounce tin PVC cement is for $2,974. And remember, all these prices are quoted in Jamaican dollars. Just a few key points to consider when budgeting for your building construction materials. Try never to overlook the standard rate of GCT, which is currently 15%. This will affect the overall cost, as pretty much all the items mentioned above attract GCT. Remember also to factor into account the cost of delivery if you do not own a suitable delivery vehicle. The delivery cost will be based on the distance from the hardware store to your location. I do hope you found this information useful and can be guided by it as you begin your construction journey.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more new videos.